You gotta be kidding me.
County until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Are you kidding
Doppler
me?
radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
I thought this was
Between
over.
2 and 5 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Selma, Valley Grant, Selmont West Selmont, Orville, Potter Station, Dallas County Horse Arena, Memorial Stadium, Old Cahaba Park, Paul M. Grist State Park, Dallas Lake, Harnell, Belknap, Danley Reservoir, Lawley, Talladega National Forest, Summerfield, Selma University, Suzzle, Edmund Pettus Bridge and Sky Harbor Airport. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Man, I thought this was over. That's like my second flash flood of the day.